Rebonjour. Okay, part 2 of les verbes en ER or ER. Oh la la. All right, so to review, this is another group of verbs and they all hang out together. Les verbes en ER. Finir, grossir, punir, réussir, vomir. When you conjugate a verb, we're going to take finir, we take off the IR and we add the endings. Fini, 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 finissons, finissez, finisse. We pronounce the S, but we don't pronounce the ENT. Now, I'm going to put on a couple practices for you to do. And again, you really do need to practice writing these. I suggest you take out a scrap piece of paper or just to practice writing them. Typing them, just looking at them doesn't do you any good, but to actual practice writing them down. So, for example, we have elle with vomir. Take a scrap piece of paper and see if you can write down the correct form. Elle vomit. Now, notice it's not elle vomit, but elle vomit. You want to really check carefully. If we do with nous, now you can think about it, but can you really write it? And when you're writing it, do you understand one, what does it mean? And two, how do you say it? Nous vomissons. Remember, 3 equals 1. We throw up, we do throw up, we are throwing up. Oh la la. Let's try another one. Ils grossirent. Try to write it down. Remember that you have to take off the IR and then you have to add an ISS, ENT. Sometimes verbs in IR that have these extra S's can get confusing. Does yours look like mine? Grossissent. They gain weight. They do gain weight. They are gaining weight. All right. I'm going to put the rest on a different slide presentation for your next activity. Please go through them, practice writing them, and then check your answers. At the end, you're going to do 5 minutes of cañuemos with IR verbs. Remember, your goal is always to get 85% or better, 25 words.